I'm Siyun Xue, a furniture and product designer based in Iowa City. I like using appropriate materials to design everyday objects with meaningful and intriguing forms. The Chair of Solemnity started with a simple idea, combining an easel structure with a chair to make the user stand out. It is designed for moments when someone is meant to be the focal point, like in photos, public speaking, or formal dining. It took me a while during the design process to ensure the tall chair back was stable. A single sheet of plywood at that height is very fragile without the right support, so I built a steady framework first to offer the necessary support. Once the structure was finalized, I started thinking about how the tenants could add to the chair's look. I was actually inspired by polyphony to create the decorative pattern. To highlight the pattern, I chose to use colored core birch plywood as a material. The result is a chair that conveys dignity, ritual, and authority. It frames the user with a sense of importance, making them the true focal point of formal occasions.